Hello smart home fans, my name is James and I'm the owner of Local Intellitech, where we install your smart home devices with integrity and confidence. We have a great video for you, so let's get started. In this video, we will compare the echodot 4th generation with the echodot 3rd generation. I will also make my recommendation on if I think it's worth the upgrade. The echodot 3rd generation was released in October of 2018. The echodot 4th generation was released 2 years later with a few upgrades. The most apparent upgrade is the size. The echodot 3rd generation is in Amazon's traditional hockey puck shape, whereas the echodot 4th generation is more in a sphere shape. These two products have the same diameter. The echodot 4th gen is roughly twice the height of the echodot 3rd gen. There are a few other aesthetic changes between the products. The echodot 3rd gen have buttons on the top and are made out of plastic. The echodot 4th gen have buttons on the top but are interwoven with the fabric. The light up ring on the 3rd gen is located on top of the unit. On the 4th gen, it is located on the bottom. Alexa, the color variants for the 3rd gen are charcoal and sandstone. The 4th gen offers color variants of charcoal, glacier white, twilight blue, and pattern. Pattern being the design of a panda or tiger intended for kids, and those of us that are kids at heart. Both offer a 3.5mm connection port intended for your audio cable. From a sound perspective, both have a 1.6-inch diameter speaker. Because the speaker is the same size, their sound quality is roughly the same. The 4th gen has a slight advantage to sound because it is a bigger unit. It is able to handle the vibrations better at higher volumes, although not a significant difference. Looking inside these units, the 4th gen has an upgraded chip compared to the 3rd gen. This means that the 4th gen is faster to respond and process your requests compared to the 3rd gen, but again, not a drastic difference. Both support Amazon Smart Assistant Alexa and can connect to your smart home. From a price perspective, the 4th gen is listed on Amazon for $50 and on sale for $40, and the 3rd gen is listed on Amazon for $40 and on sale for $35. Amazon has made a great product line with the echodot family. However, there is not enough new features from the 3rd gen to the 4th gen to justify the upgraded cost. Not only am I sacrificing a Starbucks coffee with the upgrade, I am also sacrificing the ease of hiding my echodot in my family room. When you are deciding which one to purchase, I would recommend purchasing the one you like the design of, the sphere or hockey puck. It needs to fit your taste. Both are excellent products with similar features. You cannot go wrong with purchasing either one. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel above. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. For all things smart home, please visit us at www.localintellitech.com. Thank you.